Joseph Yacino Yada, chef. I am cooking out of Kitchen 953, Fort Lauderdale and Broward County's #1 professional shared kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a healthy lunch pita. What's pita? Pita is Syrian bread. It's from the Middle East. It's just a flat bread. So, taking it, I'm cutting this in half, putting on some fresh hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas and tahini and some lemon and some garlic. It's all good for you. Chickpeas are full of protein. The garlic is good for your blood. The olive oil is great, as you know, for the Mediterranean diet. So just slather a little bit on both sides. This is quick. Don't blink because it'll be done before you know it. These are some alfalfa sprouts, some sliced red onion. Make it look nice. Everyone likes to eat, even you do with your eyes. Some fresh cucumbers. And some fresh sliced tomato. And that is that. Put it on a plate. Make yourself happy, and here you go. We have a healthy lunch pita. It was quick. It's easy. It's good. It's good for you. I am Chef Joseph. Thanks a lot for watching.